Welcome to the channel, guys. You can make thumbnails very quickly and they look awesome. How? With Thumbmagic. Alright guys, welcome back. Now, you might be thinking, wait, is this about Thumbmagic? No, this is about Thumbmagic, not this thumb, the other thumb. What, the thumbnail? Yes, you can make awesome thumbnails as well. Now, that is another subscription, but here's the cool thing. Every time you're going to make a video, you're going to want a cool thumbnail. And I made a few myself, just playing around. Here, we can actually see one, see what it looks like. So stop losing sales, stuff like that. So you can create a thumbnail for any type of video. Once you create a video on Thumbmagic, you get it edited, you're going to want a thumbnail. And what this does is it can take something like this. It can take a nice thumbnail picture here, or if you want to generate a thumbnail, you simply come here, pick an avatar, and then it will go ahead and generate that. So how do you do that? You can pick an avatar now, or we can set a character, and then you just go ahead and do that. So you can see support, can't handle these DMs. If I click on new project here, you can paste in a YouTube video, you can upload, you come with a transcript, or you can just pick whatever you want. So if we come to YouTube, come here, grab a video, boop, process that video just to show you. Then I want to generate it. I can either do it with the AI designer, which will allow me to make one, or they have pre-ones done here, or I can generate thumbnails. Now, to do this, it'll make 2 thumbnail variants of yourself. To upload an avatar is very simple. You just come here to create an avatar, and then what you'll want to do is pick a plan and then upload your image. So here we can see it's creating 2 thumbnail variants, which is very, very cool. So it's going to take about 45 seconds. So go grab coffee, a water and a coffee, and just sit back and allow it to do its thing, because it absolutely will do something amazing right here. It's making text editable, which I'm looking forward to. Then we're going to see the magic happen in a second right here. I think this one was like a rap battle between like Alexander Hamilton and Jefferson. So you can make something very, very cool like here, and then just download this and use it as your thumbnail. As you saw, Hamilton Jefferson rap battle was a AI thing that I really liked watching. So guys, that's how you can generate very easy AI very quickly and make it happen. So I just wanted to save you time. Now, this does cost a little bit, but if you're willing to do it, you can rock beautiful AI thumbnails, and they look pretty freaking good. And you just generate thumbnails with 1 credit. So I think it's worth it. But you let me know what you think down below. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.